all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. A popular line from William Shakespeare's As You Like It. The entrants in this year's Festival of the Performing Arts Drama Finals took on that mantra and commanded the Little Theatre's stage, proving they are players ready for the acting world. This week on Festival Corner, drama reigns supreme.
The Jamaican Agency for the Approval of Parental Privileges.
If you're on a cell phone, we apologize for using up your credit.
Dial 1.
For Jamaican Standard English, dial 2.
If your application has been denied 2 times or more, please
hang up.
If you are under the age of 30, please
hang up.
For all of the inquiries, please dial 0 for the operator.
The Little Theatre stage saw performances across various genres, including farce, experimental, fiction, and even a one-woman play.
Thomas, you can't leave me. Thomas, no. Thomas, no. You cannot leave me and the baby like this, Thomas. Yes, Thomas, I'm pregnant. I was going to tell you after we done married. All right, Thomas. Thomas, listen to me now. Let me tell you what to do. Marry me today and leave me tomorrow. Thomas, do. Just marry me today. And leave me. Even leave me after the wedding done.
Tell them already, so me tell them again. Tell them already, so me tell them again. They want murderer. They want vampire. Murder is on the rise. Hey, no one seems to hear the people cries. Hey.
Look out, world! These Jamaican actors and actresses are coming. Next year, do not miss the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission's drama finals. You're sure to laugh, cry, and be spellbound.
What you say from it, they will not hear. What you scream from it, they do not hear. What you put into it to nourish your bodies, they will snatch away and give you leavings instead. So love your moms. Love them.